found him in the garage? It's crazy. Found a budgie in the garage. Big mouse. Yep. Looks pretty sick. Close up of him.
How do I get into this?
It's on the other side of the door. Right there. Myra, back up. Myra. Come on. Over here. Come here, Myra. Come here. Come here. Oops. Myra, come here. Myra. We need to sort that cage out. Get that lower level off. Myra. Come on, girl. Come on. Out here. Come here. Come on, girl. It's okay. No. No. Oh, jump. Jump. Okay. Did he escape? No.
No, he's not drinking.
It's okay, he'll drink. It's okay, boy. We just need to get the proper, so excited. Oh, he's dipping his toe in. Wonder if there's any posters up for him. No? Yeah, getting some foodie. Foodie. Myra, settle yourself. Hope he survives. You just need to get that lower level off, eh? Put little sticks in there. Might have some sticks left. Perches. Go birdie. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, he's drinking. That's a good sign. Oh my god, she's like Cujo. Okay. Should I let her in?
Yeah, don't poop in there.
It's okay, poop in there. You gotta poop.
Oh, he got his food. He found his food.
We should just wait to see if somebody claims him. He's being taken care of. Okay, so better shut this.